Good morning, everybody. Thought I'd give you a little update on the plastic weed guard that I've used for 2 years in a row. It is doing extremely well, and I really like it. 2 years in a row. Very well pleased with it. It's doing fantastic. Everything is going well. I had a few rabbits that was attacking my garden this year. Had to take out 4 of them. Little rascals come in and took out several of my bean plants and couple of my bell pepper plants, and yeah, so anyhow, they're gone. Things are growing well. So anyhow, my sweet peas, trellis sweet peas, they're a vine type. They're doing really well. They're really starting to get up there. They're about 2 foot tall right now, so very pleased with those. And tomato plants are doing well. And squash plants are doing extremely well too this year. This year, what I've done different is I put all a bunch of leaves for my mulch around those, and those are doing very well. Cucumber plants are, I've got 4 of them. There's one there, another one. I've got another one hid underneath there. That was supposed to have been a cucumber plant, but turned out to be a squash plant. But it's doing well. As you can see, my beans, I planted them and then replanted them, and the rabbit still was coming after them. But anyhow, I need to go back in on some of those gaps and replant some more beans. The rattlesnake pole beans, they're really starting to take off now. They're doing well. I've got to go in this morning and go ahead and take that one and wrap him around part of this trellis here, but yeah, they're really starting to take off, starting to go very well. They're just making their way on up this hog panel, so they're going to be doing well. And my potato plants, they're doing great too. Remember this row through here, the row that goes down through there, I remember I planted those at 8 inches deep. This row I planted 2 inches deep, and they're both doing great. I planted the 2-inch deep ones about a week and a half after I planted the 8-inch deep ones. And what I'm going to do is just kind of see what my harvest is towards the end of the year. And I put a very, very thick blanket of mulched up leaves on these here about 2 weeks ago. Let the plants get nice and tall, and then just mulch the living daylights out of them, and they're doing well. So my broccoli, I did plant those by seed out here in the garden, and they're starting to come up. They're starting to do very well. A rabbit took out this one and snipped off my tomato plant there, but doing well. The bell pepper plants doing well. Had a couple rabbits take out a couple of those at the end down there, but real happy with it this year. It's doing great. So anyhow, if anybody's wanting to know an update on how plastic works, is it worth it? And it's by far the best thing I've ever done. So I'm really excited to see how the pole beans are going to come out this year, the rattlesnake pole beans, with these trellises set up. If those go well, I might just plant, may not do any of the bush beans next year, and may just put in, maybe I'll be able to put another trellis in between these, and then I'll put 3 more here. And if they do well, I think I might just go ahead and switch over to pole bean. And because I know that they store very well. You can actually dry them. You can eat them as a regular green bean, or you can go ahead and dry them out and then shell the bean and actually make a bean soup out of them. So it'll be interesting. So anyhow, thought I'd do a quick little video of that. And anybody's wanting to know if plastic really works, man, it does. So thanks for watching, and God bless you guys, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.